What if I told you you could start a side hustle today with $0, no experience, no audience, and without showing your face? Thanks to AI, that's now possible. And in this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly AI side hustles that people are using right now to make money online. No fluff, no scammy crypto, just real digital income, powered by AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, AI voiceover services. People are paying $15 to $100 per gig for voiceovers on Fiverr, Upwork, and TikTok. You don't need a mic. You don't even need to speak. All you need is a free script and a voice generator like 11 Labs. It sounds human, it delivers fast, and you can offer voiceovers for podcasts, YouTube intros, reels and shorts, audiobooks, explainer videos, setup time, 30 minutes, cost, $0. Side hustle number 2, selling AI prompt packs. This one is completely overlooked. Everyone's using ChatGPT, but most people don't know how to write good prompts. You can create and sell prompt templates for YouTubers, Midjourney image packs, business automation scripts, TikTok caption generators, or even flirt and roast prompt bundles. Yes, those sell. Upload them to Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. Charge $5 to $25 per pack. No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit. Side hustle number 3, Faceless YouTube Channel. You've heard of this, but here's how it works. Step 1, use ChatGPT to write the script. Step 2, use 11 Labs to narrate it. Step 3, use Pictory or Veed to make the video boom. You have a video without ever showing your face, speaking a word, or editing anything. Once uploaded, that video can earn AdSense money, affiliate money, even sponsorships, and it works 24/7 while you sleep. Side hustle number 4, Notion AI templates. Notion is blowing up, and their new AI features let you automate planning, content creation, goal tracking, and more. You can build and sell business dashboards, content calendars, financial planners, daily habit trackers, AI-enhanced productivity systems. Some people are making $500 to $5,000 per month selling Notion templates online. Use Notion AI to help generate the structure. You don't even have to write most of it yourself. Side hustle number 5, ChatGPT freelance automation. This one's elite. You go on Fiverr or Upwork, find people offering email writing, social media captions, blog posts, or product descriptions. Then use ChatGPT to fulfill the gig. Yes, seriously. You become a middleman between demand and AI. And guess what? Most clients don't care how it's made. They care that it's fast, clean, and solves their problem. You can scale this as an agency or just use it for passive income. Final thoughts. Every side hustle I just shared can be started with no money, no audience, and no special skills. All you need is the system. Because AI doesn't make you money, systems do. So here's your next move. Pick one hustle, set it up, let AI do the heavy lifting, and repeat it until it works. Then scale it, outsource it, automate it. And that's how people are building real passive income with tools that were free all along. If you want me to show you exactly how to set one up, or which tools are worth it, hit that subscribe button and comment below, I'm ready. Let's build, stay automated, stay cash flow,